For generations along China's eastern coast, skilled hands have woven stories into fabric. In Taizhou City, where the sea meets tradition, these ancient crafts have blossomed into modern art. This is E. Stronger Woven's home. Meet Frank, a son of Taizhou. He once cast nets into the ocean, but now weaves treasures from raffia threads. His journey from fisherman to master weaver reflects our belief: honor the past while embracing change. At E. Stronger Woven, every thread carries a story. Ancient weaving meets modern technology as artisan hands guide computer looms, creating patterns passed down for centuries, durable, yet alive with tradition. Our designers, inspired by coastal views and dynastic art, create 30 to 50 unique patterns each year. From wave-inspired runners to peony cushions, culture and nature are woven into every piece. Quality is our promise. Each fabric undergoes a strict 12-point inspection: color, strength, and eco-friendly standards, ensuring perfection in every inch. Our creations grace homes worldwide, from US brands to Tokyo tea houses. Weatherproof cushions brave storms, silken mats preserve ancient tales. Each product connects cultures and stands the test of time. Looking forward, E. Strong Woven invests in community. Our apprenticeship program passes weaving skills to new hands, keeping Taizhou's heritage alive. This is more than fabric. It's the heartbeat of culture, woven by time, where every thread links past and present. Crafted in Taizhou, cherished worldwide. Together, let's weave beautiful spaces. To our partners across the globe, may our collaboration be as enduring as the tides, as intricate as our patterns, and as radiant as Taizhou's sunrise.